Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So, keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ng energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Lumipad ang ating tarot cards. Ayan, you're seeking clarification sa mga tarot readings and compass. Ayan, para naghahanap ng mga daan, sagot sa tanong, kung saan ba talaga dapat tutungo, para mga naliligaw pa, hindi pa alam kung alin ba talaga, ano ba talaga yung daan na tatahakin mo. We have here camera and shoes. Ooh. And the ring. Wow. Sure ball na ito sa iyong connection. Maring soulmate twin flame, ayan, na talagang ito na tinuturo na sa iyo yung daan patungo sa iyong happiness and waiting shed. Kasi it's worth the wait. Kumbaga ang tagal mo naghintay tapos ito na parang it's worth the wait talaga, no, kahit matagal. Kasi at least tamang tao na yung hinihintay mo kasi hindi ka na nagsettle for less. Hindi ka nagsesettle na kung kani-kanino lang, 'di ba? Yun ang hirap kasi habang naghihintay ka nung talagang taong para sa'yo, yung iba is naglalaro pa kung kani-kanino habang naghihintay while waiting. Yung iba naman is talagang patiently waiting for this person na ayaw niya mag-settle for less, ayaw niya mag-settle kung kani-kanino lang para lang masabi na may karelasyon, 'di ba? So ang hirap naman ng gano'n. Lalo na para lang masabi na may kasama ka sa buhay, may karelasyon ka, kung sino-sino na lang okey na yun. Ito talaga is parang hinihintay niya talaga yung the right one, waiting for the right time, the right one. And eto na, talaga naman parang ang tagal mo naghintay, parang yung iba sa inyo parang ang tagal naghanap, parang this connection or this reading is about the search is over. Wow! Papakanta na naman tayo niyan, the search is over. Parang ano bang kanta yun? Basta yun. How can I convince you? What you see is real. Tinula na lang natin. Ayun, di ba? Nakalimutan ko yung title nun. Basta yun. Ayan. Tingnan natin sa ating tarot cards. Yan. Wow, tingnan mo naman, no, talagang it's a partnership, divine counterpart energy, yung talagang the right one for you. Wow. Two of Cups, it's about partnership, soulmates connection. Talaga namang your divine counterpart is finally, ayan, finally. We have the High Priestess. Wow! And the Ace of Cups. Fresh energy. Wow, napakaganda. So we have here the Strength. It's a Leo energy. A King of Wands. And the Five of Swords. And we also have here the Three of Swords. Page of Wands. And this Death card. Scorpio. Ayan, ang tagal mo hinihintay ito. Pero ito na. Heto na. Heto na. Oh, 'di ba? So, tingnan natin ano bang message ng archangels natin dito. Mapapaano kay dubi-dubi-du. 'Di ba? So, tingnan natin. Compassion by Archangel Zadkiel. Soften your heart with respect to this situation and all the people involved, including yourself. Okay. So, tingnan natin sa ating The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. We have here Finding Out the Truth, Kroshni. I remember every detail of that day. I hope that you can forgive me one day. Oh, for some of you kasi parang itong hinihintay ay parang galing na sa nakaraan. With this Three of Swords, that card, and that Five of Swords energy natin dito. Ayan, parang nahati na naman tayo kasi parang may mga twin flames dito nagbabalikan, eh. Ayan, pero for some, this is a new energy with this Ace of Cups. So itong twin flame energy na ilan sa inyo na twin flame energy, so this person will message you muna, no? Or tatawag muna siya sa'yo. It's time for me to heal now. I want to be more than friends. Or for some of you, hindi naman pala naging kayo, parang friends lang, ganun. Pero may something. May feelings sa isa't isa pero hindi nabigyan ng justice or ng ano, parang hindi naging kayo. No label, pwedeng ganon in the past. No label relationship or mutual understanding. Malabong usapan, yung mga ganyan. Na walang label talaga. Na hindi nagkaroon ng parang, hindi naging official yung relationship. I want to tell you how I feel, pero ngayon gusto niyang i-broadcast na to sa lahat, ipaalam na sa lahat na kung ano ba yung meron kayo. I love you unconditionally, and I want you. Oh. So, tingnan natin sa initials. Kasi hindi niya to nasabi eh, parang letter D, T. Lalo na kung hindi nga naging kayo, V, J, N, N, R, H, M, W, S, and E. Bottom card natin ay, tingnan natin sa ating tarot messages, oracle cards. Feeling betrayed. Oh. Letting you go, walking away. Kasi siguro parang ng ghost to. Ginost ka. I love your humor. Husband-wife material. I watch you from afar. Can we start again? Pero this person really want another chance. The struggle is real. And I want to marry you someday. So, yung bottom card natin, you're my wish come true. So, maaaring na-realize niya yun na ikaw pala talaga yung hinihiling niya or pinapangarap niya tapos pinaliwala ka niya noon. Parang friend zone ka pa, yung ilan sa inyo. Friend zone. Friends lang kayo, ganun. So, tingnan natin sa blue card muna pala. Ayan. So, kung ano man yun, pinagsisihan niya na. Na maaaring friend zone ka niya, pinagsisihan niya yun. We have here chemistry and prophecy. Prophecy. Pero, nakasilip pa kasi ito eh. Confessions. Ayan. So, talaga may mga confessions na mangyayari dito. Lalo na kung nakasaad yan sa prophecy, mangyayari at mangyayari yan. No? Hindi tayo mapipigilan yung mga kailangan mangyari. So, tingnan natin sa general signs and the messages. 5. Popular. Soon. Wow. Skin tag. Luzon. Divine Feminine. Number 2. Maring December 2. Sword is air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Cute and chubby, number 1, athletic, good heart, flower farm, emotional, attractive, lake, mirror card, June, vulnerable, ayan. Private person, very serious, trustworthy, national capital region, intelligent, overthinker, present lover, beautiful, and April. Okay, yung nasa likod is past person. So, yun ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.